everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all guys are doing well. So this is the part 2 of Best Affordable series. In this series I will talk about best affordable perfumes which you should have in this summer. But before moving on with the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram handle. My Instagram handle is shubhana.panikragi. Now without wasting more time, let's get started. No matter what the weather is, who doesn't like to smell good all day long, huh? And finding a good budget-friendly perfume which gonna make you smell good all day long is quite difficult. But worry not, I have come up with 2 perfumes from the brand Bella Vita Organic. Bella Vita Organic is an Indian brand which makes organic skincare, hair care, natural makeups and perfumes, and from their range I have got these 2 perfumes and they are so good. Look at their packaging. Isn't look so luxurious in this classic black, golden and black and white packaging, huh? Look how securely they pack their products so that it would not break while it is in transit. And once you open this, here is your baby, and this is another one. These are the 2 perfumes which I have got from Bella Vita Organic, and these are priced at rupees 1,999, but you will get this around 500 to 600. So this is affordable because this will last you for a long time. So let's talk about this perfume one by one. So the first one is this is Bella Vita Organic White Oak. It is a unisex perfume and it has a strong, powerful, exotic fragrance along with the soothing sensation. The heart of this fragrance is earthy, just like freshly cut grasses, and you can use this both day and night time. And once you started using this, it will become your go-to perfume, and it will last up to easily 7 to 8 hours, even more than that. And it smells so good once you apply this. Like, this one is my absolute favorite. Another one is this one is Bella Vita Organic Super Oath, and it smells like, it has a sweet yet woody fragrance, and it, I think, kinda similar to Gucci Intense Oud, and that one is so expensive, and you are getting that exact similar fragrance in this Bella Vita Organic Super Oud perfume at a very affordable price, and it will last up to 6 to 7 hours, and if you reapply this, it will go the all day. So yeah, so these are the 2 affordable perfumes for this summer which you should have, and both of them are alcohol free and it won't irritate your skin, and this will last all day long. And if you ask me which one is my favorite in both of them, I will say this one is the White Oat one. I will suggest you guys that at least you should try one of them, and trust me, you will not regret buying this, especially this one. This is my absolute favorite. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.